Models of WCM, world-class manufacturing. 1. The working capital model, WCM, helps businesses optimize their cash flow by efficiently managing their accounts payable, accounts receivable, and inventory. 2. The cash conversion cycle, CCC, is a key metric in the WCM that measures the time it takes for a company to convert its investments in inventory and other resources into cash flows from sales. 3. The net working capital, NWC, model focuses on the difference between a company's current assets, such as cash, inventory, and accounts receivable, and its current liabilities, such as accounts payable and short-term debt. 4. The WCM emphasizes the importance of maintaining a balance between liquidity and profitability, ensuring that the company has enough working capital to meet its operational needs while maximizing returns. 5. By optimizing accounts payable, businesses can extend payment terms to suppliers without negatively impacting their relationships, effectively managing their cash flow. 6. Efficient management of accounts receivable, including timely collections and credit control measures, can reduce the cash conversion cycle and improve the overall financial position of a company. 7. The WCM highlights the significance of inventory management, emphasizing the need to minimize excess inventory levels while ensuring sufficient stock to meet customer demand. 8. By implementing just-in-time inventory systems and lean manufacturing principles, businesses can reduce inventory holding costs and improve operational efficiency. 9. The WCM encourages businesses to negotiate favorable terms with suppliers, such as early payment discounts or volume discounts, to optimize their working capital. 10. Effective forecasting and demand planning play a crucial role in the WCM, enabling businesses to align their production and inventory levels with expected customer demand. 11. The WCM promotes the use of financial ratios and key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor and measure the effectiveness of working capital management strategies. 12. By implementing efficient cash flow forecasting and monitoring systems, businesses can better anticipate and manage cash flow gaps or surpluses. 13. The WCM emphasizes the importance of cross-functional collaboration between finance, procurement, sales, and operations teams to optimize working capital across the entire organization. 14. Implementing automated systems and technologies, such as electronic invoicing and online payment platforms, can streamline accounts payable and accounts receivable processes in the WCM. 15. The WCM recognizes the potential benefits of alternative financing options, such as supply chain financing or factoring, to improve cash flow and reduce reliance on traditional banking channels. 16. Businesses adopting the WCM prioritize continuous improvement and optimization, regularly reviewing and adjusting their working capital strategies to adapt to changing market conditions. 17. Effective risk management is a key aspect of the WCM, addressing potential cash flow risks associated with customer creditworthiness, supplier disruptions, or economic uncertainty. 18. The WCM encourages businesses to analyze and manage their working capital cycles on a regular basis, identifying bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. 19. The WCM considers the impact of seasonal fluctuations or industry-specific factors on working capital requirements, allowing businesses to adjust their strategies accordingly. 20. By integrating technology solutions, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems or cash flow management software, businesses can enhance their WCM processes and decision-making capabilities.